Hello everyone, it's Nelia Bedelia, and today I'm going to talk to you guys all about these mini spring twists. Now it's not a step-by-step tutorial exactly because I already have a tutorial on these. These are just shorter. But this is going to be about debulking them and lengthening them. Now as you can see right here, it is thick. These things really do have some volume to them and they're super shrunken. So I'm going to show you guys how I debulk my hair when I put way too many in and get some length to it. The reason I wanted to bulk them is because, as you can see, it is extremely hard for me to put them up in a bun, and I kind of feel like if the protective style can't go in a bun, just throw away the whole style, sis. It's not worth it anymore. So I'm just going to section my hair into 4 sections, and these are the 4 sections I'm going to be working with throughout the entire video. Now the thing about debulking is that it sucks. It just sucks so badly and it's very time consuming, but it is worth it in the end. So I just go section by section and I basically take 2 twists that I think are too close together or that could have just been one, and I take them both out and combine them as one. And I go throughout each row doing this, and that really just helps lessen the number of twists on your head, and of course lessening the volume, which in turn will help it be easier to manage and put in a bun, which is my ultimate goal here. Here I am combing out those 2 twists that I did have and combining them into one. And it's really that simple. It's just a little time consuming depending how dense your hair is and how close the twists you put together are. But like I said, totally worth it in the end. So here I'm showing you that I totally went through my entire scalp and debulked, and it might not seem like less voluminous, but it definitely is. My hair's in a bun right now as we speak, so it works. But here I am. I'm about to start stretching the hair out. Now I did not create this technique, definitely watched a video like the rest of us and got to work, but I did want to show you guys this trick in case you have missed it. But I'll put the original video down below, of course, because I'm not going to take credit for this. But you just want to grab some wrap mousse, whatever brand, doesn't really matter, and your blow dryer. And I've tried this without the mousse. It does nothing. So you do need mousse, or maybe water could work, but you definitely just want them to be kind of wet, and the mousse kind of sets it afterwards. And you're just going to simply blow dry the strands straight. Now, tip, don't go so close, because you'll see in a second that going really close to the ends will cause the twist to completely straighten out, and you do not want those pieces, which I had to clip at the end. So don't go too close and don't hold it too long, but just do it until you feel like this is the desired length that you want. All right, comparison. So the left is the straightened out twist and the right is the shrunken side. So both styles are cute. I mean, I just prefer mine to be a little more stretched out, but nothing's wrong with the right scrunched up side. But I just want to show you guys some options. Here's my hair completely done, and I'm just going to do a quick side by side. So this is what they look like in the beginning of the video, and here they are now. Definitely a difference. I like them straightened out like this, but like I said, nothing wrong with the scrunched up side. Now we're just gonna bedazzle them up, put some gems in them. I used a whole bag of gems. These are kind of like crown gems, and of course you guys already know you can find these at the beauty supply store or even on Amazon. And here's the final look, you guys. My mini spring twist, all debulked and stretched out. And again, like I said, I have a tutorial on how I put the spring twist in. I'll put it up above and in the description box. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video if you liked it, and subscribe. Join the family. Thanks for watching. Bye.